In this video, I will show how to add a cell value to a sentence in Microsoft Excel. Like we type this value. Now here, type this formula equal sign, quotation mark. Now type your sentence. Quotation mark. Type text. Select it. Now select this cell, comma. Now right click on it and quotation mark, general, quotation mark, closing bracket, press enter. Now right click on it and format cells, custom, and here select this value. Then click on OK. Now type here $sign hash quotation mark now type here $sign hash closing bracket quotation mark closing bracket and quotation mark. Quotation mark, enter. Now make space here, click anywhere. Now change your value. So like this guys, you can add a cell value to a sentence in Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching.